Let's go guys, Ichimoku technical analysis in only 3 minutes.
Okay, let's look into Dogecoin. I'm going to use Ichimoku as usual. I've got a trend line here, those trend line. I think they are quite important because it did work around here for this one and the lowest one. However, the highest one clearly works a couple times already, first time, second, third time yesterday, and you can see it really goes all the way up here. So even if you were going to do a technical analysis only using your candle and the trend line, you'd know that you can kind of calculate the high price that it can go, the highest price. So if we look at today, that should be about 0.28 maximum, and if we go end of October, you see 0.26. So it seems like we are stuck into this pattern at the moment. As for our candle, where it is on the space with our where it is in the space with our Ichimoku cloud, it's inside the cloud. You can see it's entering it clearly. Now we are inside. We have our Tenkan and Kijun sitting under us. It's going to keep us inside the cloud, and once we are inside the cloud, pretty much anything can happen. We can go up and down, and notice the SSB of the cloud is super flat. It's creating a lot of resistance to get away from it, at least until this date here, until the 1st, 2nd of November, where we have maybe an exit, a possible exit. But for that, we will need to break this long trend line. So meantime, but we pretty much can go anywhere inside this cloud. Once you are inside the cloud, things are can go anywhere. So that's the first thing. The SSA here is never flat. So getting away from it also, it's possible because we don't have much resistance through this SSA. The resistance we're going to get will be more based on our lagging and Tenkan or Kijun, and so you can see here around here we have a resistance at 0.22, another one that's gonna start here at 0.21, etc., etc. So you look at the different elements of Ichimoku and you can see where are your resistance, but at the moment I wouldn't get inside. I wouldn't actually enter any position until I see us closing above the previous candle. But see the massive candle, it's very hard to tell. There is a lot of pump and dump going on on this token, clearly, because a long head and leg like this, it means a lot of pump and dump. So getting inside this one at the moment is not a good idea, especially looking at the end of our Ichimoku. It's pretty much ranging at the moment. No one is making any decision. We don't have any much support under our candle, except until here. You see it's flat, but after the 21st, it's not flat anymore. So getting out is well possible. I do know we have this Tenkan and Kijun supporting us here, but it might not be enough. Especially knowing that we went to touch the top of our trend line. So now it's time to go touch the bottom of it. You got my point? So I wouldn't enter until I touch the bottom of it. If you look at a weekly, I think I noticed something. No, my bad. I didn't notice anything on the weekly. So yeah, very be careful at the moment. I think it's more possible to go bearish than bullish because we went all the way up our trend line. And lagging, you see, can go anywhere, pretty much anywhere. We have a bit of support down to the 0.22 cent, but after that, you see, we can go even lower. So yeah, we should. If you're trading, I'm not trading Doge, but if you're trading it, you should really look at the signals for a run or a pullback. But at the moment, not the right time to do anything. Anyway, guys, you take care. See you later for some other videos. Bye bye.
Alright guys, let's subscribe to
So yeah.
Ichimoku technical analysis. Ichimoku the best. Ichimoku, Style I Click on YouTube. Subscribe.